opposition gi the overall lawriba Congress party na Bharat ki oiba apunba gi saktam amadi Bharat ki oiba koi masel gi lainariba laiminaragliba post dagi matam punamata kainanaba disunity lainanaba gi maung the hector pasi masi koi gi Maikai degi sarkar gi Maikai degi koi masi si awang uthakte koi madugi yaning debu do utpani asi gise yam maru ina hair kanda huji Jammu and Kashmir da huji election to gudori basi da akoi Bharat sibu ani thong lairamba article 370 hapsal lakanda tongan constitution tongan flag ki lairamba port mayam adu honorable prime minister modi ji gi makha da Bharatiya Janata Party madi NDA gi sarkar la amtung madu lokthoga apun Bharat ma gi saktam sagan na hona bada thabak oina utkhre thabak oina pangthokre maduna maram oira kan ngasi Jammu and Kashmir da hana thomba thoning the thokdoks anti national oiba terrorist ki thokdoksing adagi security forces in the nung thadana tawdana bagi means mathong maram khangna leiramba du magi maung leiramba du si ngasi ingre adubu yamna akhoi yamna ngakpa madi yamna hangningai oiba Pithibi miyamna madi Bharat ki miyamna yamaruina hangningai oiba handak ki sidai da koi mokhoi gi Jammu and Kashmir gi da national conference tu mokhoi ga Congress ka pull ga sarkar thangnani na hari pusi masi da koi na Congress da koi na question khara hangbani hangbani madudi kai no kanda Jammu and Kashmir da hana lairamba dumaina Iran article 370 gi makhadu da torami ba Iran separatist movement terrorist movement do Congress na sabol abra haibagi question nama mamdi moiga punchal laga moiga pullaga thabak tawni hairabani aduga loina na ngasai gi Article 370 amadi 35A hanjalangada bani ase khoi gi Jammu and Kashmir gi National Conference na loghiba warep ne adumadu INC na sabul bra habigi question ama akhoi yam sauna lai haitare adagi amu hanale no film da Kashmir ki issue si internationalized rokanda Pakistan ke wari sanar kan loikedam ni inchal lama mayam do madu amu Pakistan se pushalak na wi hona ribra hona bastai da Congress support or bra habi Wahang dun is aduga amu khogi national conference ki moi gi di LOC the line of control is the moi trade taunabagi warep laibani Adu masida su amu line of control gi sidai the trade town nagado riba pot sidai the masidu Sri Rahul Gandhi Congress sogot kadu libra sogot libra adu amu masai na hanjana su haigre terrorism extremism lairiba mayam do madu security sing the nung tharamba tauramba mi halamba adugi extremist mayam do amu reinstate tawrakanda sarkar gi thabak singa sanghalakanda adugumba ingna chingna leirba Jammu and Kashmir se hena irang saratpa hena anti national oiba adugumagi phiba mamada por kadori bra haibagi aduda Congress su sogot bra haibagi afam duni adage mu Congress reservation ni mayokta laiti hai Adong ngasi di kari gino Jammu and Kashmir National Conference di Dalit, Gujars, adagi bakrawal amadi pahari community singi reservation piro en wasak ke badugumba Jammu and Kashmir ki national conference aldi somdana reservation yai hai adu somdana reservation piro ya party du alliance tonoraga di moishu reservation si sogalo hari bra reservation gi si moishu yadi hari bra hai bigi question du ne koina hangis reservation anti reservation oira bra hai bra adagi sankaracharya hill haidana khangnaraba adugumba chingdu takat e Suleiman amadi Hari Hill buna ko e maran haina khangna basi congress su pam bra question atani ko hangi simaram di moina pula iba tawra iba thabak sina matung ina har kana adagi Jammu and Kashmir ki economy si hana mayam khange am sathi ba corruption gi lambi ma chaladana imung manungi aduga Pakistan mateng pangba Pakistan sogot ba imung manung nu pair ga leira ka dum democracy gi mingda adum family gi sasan du na tawrong ba mawong du sogot pra congress na adagi Jammu and Kashmir National Conference ki Jammu ga tampak ki mafam ga si tongan na tawgodam ni ga haibu gi wakhalon leiram do adu dasu congress party si sagoli bra Delhi ki hill ki sorry ki Jammu ki tampak tu ga Kashmir ki ani ki marakta thambu sagoli bra hai bi question du aduga muksu Sri Rahul Gandhi na aduga Congress na Jammu and Kashmir Conference ki tokai khaidok gi wakhalon aduga Kashmir bu autonomy pithok gi leiri ba magi national conference ki wakhalon do madu Congress na or Rahul Gandhi na sogot pra haibadu ngasi ekoi Bharat ki miyam su hangi loina na koi Manipur gi madu ki Bharat ki miyam du ki marakta ekoi Manipur si part of the nation sin instability lakpa ka da ekoi su effect tawbudina madu ki question kar du Congress ke du gumba yamna opportunist oiba mo manba koi sarkar da pairaga loire power da pairaga loire leibak ki di khangdi haibagi mo manba sathar klabra haibagi chungna basi leibadi ngasi press mi sikobuni aduna Congress na sugumba makha gi article 370 halakna ba aduga article 35A halakna ba koi national conference na taliba potu deida Congress sing sisu sagot pra hai ba question do amona aikoi ge magai degi Rahul Gandhi amadi INC ki miyosina thammi haidana smai thamjage gi assembly ngarang girang asigera sabutu karisi Assam ki assembly da sumaina koi Manipuri language se sibu koi district mari da associate state language oina chana nabagi damakta adugumba honorable chief minister of Assam Hemanta Biswa Sharma ji na bill da bill puthokna madu pass samana balo kolai khongthang amadi sana halani na mana rauthoki ba tweet to ki punamak to eki Manipur miyam ni mai gai degi adu ai mabu anana thagasari loina na Assam gi government la biriba member khudimako sugumba yang kuina sangna Assam da leiba Manipur singna tandana laba demand ma mapung phan bi gi dai some assembly ki member punamak ya maroina honorable chief minister Hemanta Biswa Sharma ji Manipur miyam gi mai gai dagi sarkar gi mai gai dagi amadi ai sa gi mai gai dagi mabu hanna thagat phonguk chari na sima gai kan me toje husiki Manipur gi wariba adu ya maroi na khoi si border area oi bani na madugi ground situation sing sima direct access tawba lakpa mali adu galoina na manipur gi mana hybrid manipur gi issue shi bharat sarkar na koi line lodi haibadogi potuni aduna athuma matam da kari karam mong da solution lakna hona ga ge haibadogi madugi maram da wari wata yam kun da sanaki magi high ranking officer eastern command the 3 corps commanders adagi IJRs on mayam boini yawi noina soigi thambam thopa Manipur da lairaiba oiraiba pot mayam sigai documents including map ina on the piki records in piki adu hojik laiba situation karmai toraga shanti hanjalakpa yagadagi haibagi matamasu dum khanaki ma yam positive oina sakki Delhi or matungda magi some decision khara positively adum torkadu mali friends today's press conference is mainly in relation with the Jammu and Kashmir and particularly in the coming election Indian National Congress has jointly Indian National Congress is going to join hand with the National Conference of Jammu and Kashmir. The Congress Party, which has repeatedly risked the nation, unity and security, to satiate its greed for power, has once again exposed its ulterior motive by allying with the Abdullah's family's national conference in the Jammu and Kashmir elections. Given the promise made in the National Conference manifesto, here are my 10 questions for the Congress Party and Rahul Gandhi. Number 1, does the Congress support the National Conference promise of a separate flag for Jammu and Kashmir? Number 2, do Rahul Gandhi and the Congress Party support Jammu and Kashmir National Conference decision to restore Article 370 and Article 35A and thereby push Jammu and Kashmir back into an era of unrest and terrorism? Question number 3, does the Congress support promoting separatism again by engaging in dialogue with Pakistan instead of Kashmir's youth welfare? Number 4, do the Congress Party and Rahul Gandhi support the National Conference decision to start LOC trade with Pakistan, thereby nurturing terrorism and its ecosystem across the border? Next, does the Congress support reinstating relatives of those involved in terrorism and stone pelting into government jobs, thereby bringing back terrorism, extremism, and the era of strikes? The alliance has exposed the Congress Party's anti-reservation stance. Again, does Congress support the JKNC's promise to end reservation of Dalits, Gujars, Bakrawals, and Pahadi communities, thereby inflicting injustice upon them? Does the Congress want Shankaracharya Hill to be known as Takht-e-Sulaiman and Hari Hills as Kohe Marang? Does the Congress support the politics of pushing Jammu and Kashmir's economy back into corruption and handing it over to to the selected Pakistan-supported families? Question mark. Does the Congress party support ZKNC's politics of discrimination between Jammu and the Valley? Next, do the Congress party and Rahul Gandhi support the ZKNC's divisive politics of granting autonomy to Kashmir? These are the few things which we want to ask the question to the Indian National Congress and his leader Rahul Gandhi.
Sir, you had a fruitful meeting with the chief of the army staff and other leaders. But how is your assessment of the security situation?
During this crucial juncture, the visit of the army chief shows that they are concerned about the Manipur crisis, and the center is taking seriously. So he came along with the 3 corps commanders and the Eastern Command, and we deliberate in many things. But his main visit was to restore a peace in the state of Manipur at the earliest, and he also discussed about the border areas and the issues, the crisis taking place in the neighboring country. So that is an internal of the army, but particularly for Manipur, he instructed in front of me to some of his senior officers to take actions after due discussion with the government of Manipur.
Sir, you recently held a meeting with this railway board member. What is the progress of the project, and do you have any set deadline?
Yeah, it is very unfortunate. Recently, I was there in Delhi and I met the Honorable Railway Minister Shri Ashwini ji, and immediately after knowing the grievances, he instructed to the Secretary Railway to send somebody in Manipur to sort out and to solve the problems. So, but unfortunately, since last 2 years, due to the landslide at the Tupul area, None area, the work could not continue. Agitation was there. But on that day, the railway board chairman came down here and we discussed anything. And I invited the concerned MLA of the particular area, None, Mr. Dipu Gamai. In his presence, we discussed how to solve the issues, and we are going to compensate for the damages. And I hope that at the earliest we can start the railway work so that the railway can reach Imphal within a short time. ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯠꯇ ꯁꯨꯒꯤ ꯁꯤ ꯇꯧꯁꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗ ꯀꯣꯟꯀ꯭ꯔꯤꯠ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯃꯠꯇ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯛꯄ ꯂꯩꯇ꯭ꯔꯤ. ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯠ ꯒꯣꯔꯃꯦꯟꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯠꯁꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯗꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯦꯁꯦꯝꯕ꯭ꯂꯤꯗꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯗꯤꯁꯤꯖꯟ ꯂꯧꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ. ꯁꯁꯄꯦꯟꯁꯟ ꯑꯣꯐ ꯑꯣꯄꯔꯦꯁꯟꯁꯤ ꯐꯅꯅꯕ ꯁꯥꯟꯇꯤ ꯂꯥꯛꯅꯕ ꯇꯧꯕꯅꯤ. ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯁꯥꯟꯇꯤ ꯂꯥꯛꯄꯒꯤ ꯃꯍꯨꯠꯇ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯍꯦꯟꯒꯠꯂꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯁꯥꯟꯇꯤ ꯊꯨꯒꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯀꯥꯡꯕꯨꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯨꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯄꯦꯜ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯒꯤ ꯔꯤꯀ꯭ꯋꯦꯁꯅꯤ. ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕꯁꯤꯡꯗꯨ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯞ ꯂꯧꯒꯗꯒꯦ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯨ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯀꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯣꯐꯤꯁꯤꯌꯦꯜ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗ ꯈꯪꯍꯜꯂꯛꯄ ꯂꯩꯇ꯭ꯔꯤ. ꯕꯠ ꯍꯤꯌꯔ ꯁꯦꯗ ꯈꯔꯗꯤ ꯃꯣꯏ ꯑꯥꯗ ꯀꯟꯅ ꯈꯟꯅꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯄꯥꯎ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯇꯥꯏ. ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯠꯇ ꯒꯣꯔꯃꯦꯟꯗ ꯑꯣꯐꯤꯁꯤꯌꯦꯜꯂꯤ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯃꯈꯜ ꯑꯃꯗꯒꯤ ꯈꯪꯍꯜꯂꯛꯄ ꯂꯩꯇ꯭ꯔꯤ. ꯒꯥꯔꯤ ꯃꯆꯥ ꯅꯠꯇꯦ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯒꯥꯔꯤ ꯐꯩꯒ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯁꯤꯐꯥꯎ ꯆꯠꯄ ꯌꯥꯗ꯭ꯔꯦ. ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯎꯄꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯂꯩ? ꯅꯣꯡ ꯑꯅꯤꯔꯛ ꯊꯨꯡꯈꯤꯕꯅꯤ, ꯀꯣꯏꯂꯥꯁꯇ ꯅꯣꯡ ꯊꯨꯡꯈꯤꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯁꯦ ꯂꯣꯏꯔꯦ. ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯊꯕꯛꯁꯤ ꯍꯧꯅꯅꯕ we are fully equipped and we are fully ready to to start to work immediately. But Hujiki ऊपर से जो गिर रहा है ना इसको थोड़ा सा रुकना है नोंग हेक हांगबगा कोई मफम अमतदा तोरो मफम सोई जगह से लोइना साइट होगा simultaneously कोई प्रजा की नुंगाई दबसिन को कोई खंगी कोई सु प्रजा ने कोई जो चटपद याद रे कोई चटपसु याद रे प्रजा चटपसु कोई खंगी अदुना फ्लड अनिरक अहम लोग थोकी बनिना मधुगी मरम न तोबनी अन प्रजा मयाम खितंग नुंसा साबा बाउजिदंग खांगबिरो टॉप प्रायोरिटी ने कोई Thank you.